With 14 years of experience in phototherapy innovation, we provide professional solutions that empower global brands. At Reddot, we manage the entire ecosystem from chip R&D to complete system manufacturing. We have required ISO 13485 certifications and over 30 rigorous quality checks on assembled products. We guarantee medical-grade reliability and therapy. Our modular design methodology caters to diverse needs, from wearable portables to professional panel systems. Our technology is trusted by leading medical institutions and wellness brands in over 30 countries. Our large dedicated 5,000 square foot smart factory allows for flexible production, while our digital supply chain and order management systems speeds up your market entry and product delivery. We provide full product lifecycle design and development support, from the industrial design, product engineering to full compliance certification. We design, engineer and supply for over 27 leading global brands and provide bespoke solutions to differentiate brands and products if required.